Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon Jobs account on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Amazon Jobs account, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in account.amazon.jobs like this and hit on enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the job portal of Amazon. If you had signed up on Amazon Jobs with your previous Amazon account or your Amazon client account or your Google account, you can log into your Amazon Jobs account from these also. But if not, if you have hired for Amazon through the Amazon Jobs itself, you'll be required to enter your email address over here, and after that click on continue. And after that, after entering your email and click on continue, you'll be redirected to the page where you can enter where you must enter your password. And after entering your password, you'll be logged into your Amazon Jobs account on your computer from here. And guys, this is how you log into your Amazon Jobs account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.